Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have two details lined up, both being maintenance details. This first one I'm headed to is about 10 minutes away, and I've known this guy for probably over 15 years now, or something around there, so that's pretty funny. He has the Kia Stinger, which I think you guys have seen in a previous video, so we're gonna go head there right now. And then after that we have another detail, which is the Rivian. I believe you guys have seen that car as well on this channel already. It's the brand new Rivian, the SUV. Beautiful car, maintenance client as well. So yeah, just two for today. Short day as it is getting a lot colder. I'm pretty sure every morning we're waking up and it's freezing, so not the best time to be a mobile detailer, but still trying to make it work. Anyways, I will see you guys when we arrive there, and yeah, should be a good day. The weather is warming up right now. Just made it to the first location. We have the Kia Stinger here, maintenance client, as I said before. Gonna quickly knock it out, but first I'm gonna show you guys the befores. So, as you can see, car's in pretty good condition. Just needs what a maintenance detail should need, and that's a quick cleanup. Bring it back to looking new again. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. This car should take right around an hour and a half, and I will see you guys with the final product. Alright you guys, that is a wrap on this Kia Stinger. I hope you enjoyed that transformation. I've got to run to the car shop quickly to check on one of my cars. The tire popped last night, so I'm gonna go there quickly before my next detail, and I will catch you guys at that. So, quick update, just left the tire shop. I think things are figured out there. Luckily, I know the store manager decently enough to where I can walk in, talk to him, and figure out a solution. Anyways, I'm headed to my next detail, where we are doing a Rivian. I already communicated with the customer that I am running a couple minutes late. There was no problem with that, so I will see you guys when we get there. few things were pointed out to me before I started on this detail. You guys see them in the befores, as far as the gum in the driver's carpet, and then some marks on the headliner in the trunk from wheels. Anyways, nothing too crazy. These are things that I handle for maintenance customers free of charge. There's also some pet hair. So this detail should take right around 2 hours. Should be pretty straightforward nonetheless. And I will see you guys with the final results. So that is a wrap on that Rivian. I'm not gonna lie, the detail did take about 3 hours. As you can see, it's getting a bit dark now, but the good thing is that the gum did come out of the carpet and all the tire streaks did come out of the headliner. So client was very happy. Been with me for about 2 plus probably 3 years now. So of course I'm gonna try to always get everything together, and sure enough, he said the car looks brand new again. So all good there. Now I'm going back to the tire shop to see what the update is there, and then try to figure out what I'm gonna eat tonight. And then I will see you guys tomorrow, where we have 2 details scheduled at the moment. Good morning. Welcome back to the next day. So today we have 2 details, both first time customers, but it's at the same location. So just 2 new cars that we're working on today. It's about a 50-minute drive. We're headed there right now, and I will see you guys when we get there. Just arrived to the first location. First up, we have a Honda Accord. Client says the car hasn't been detailed in about 2 years. In my personal opinion, it doesn't look as bad as 2 years should look. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the befores look like. So as you guys can see, quite a good bit of buildup for 2 years. It's expected, but it should take right around 2 hours, maybe a little more. I'm gonna try to get it done in a timely manner because we have one more detail right after. So anyways, with that being said, I will see you guys with the final product. So that's a wrap on the Honda Accord. I think it turned out great. The client didn't want seat or carpet shampoo. Could have used it, but it doesn't make a big difference. Other than that, I think it turned out great. Now we're gonna have the cars swapped. I can go ahead and start on the next detail, which is a Toyota Corolla, I believe. So I will see you guys with that one in a second as well. Cars just switched around. Gonna go ahead and show you guys the befores now. Toyota Corolla, like I said before. Yeah, standard detail, no seat or carpet shampoo. Should take right around 2 hours as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with befores now. So as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. Should take right around 2 hours as well, maybe a bit more, hopefully a bit less. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started before the sun sets, and I will see you guys with the final product. Okay, about in total 5 hours later, and we are complete with both those standard details. As I said before, clients didn't want seat or carpet shampoo, so you just listen to the client. But regardless, both cars turned out great in my opinion. I'm about to call the client out for this last detail, and then I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys in a second. So just finished grabbing some food. I went to like a sit down type of restaurant, so I was hoping it would let me stall a bit so the traffic could die down, and that's exactly what happened. So instead of an hour and 8-minute drive home, it became like a 40-minute drive, which is much better than sitting in stop and go traffic for an extra 30 minutes. So yeah, we're headed back home now, feeling good, full. I ate at a place called Dumpling House. It was in Duluth, if anybody's aware of that. It was pretty good. Would I go back? Probably not, but it was still good. And yeah, so now I'm headed home, and when I get home, I need to work on my booking apps, because although I've been in business for 4 years now, I've still never had an official booking app. So I plan to get that together by the end of this month, so that should be nice. And then I hate saying it and not doing it, but after that I plan on going to the gym, let the food die down a bit, you know, and then yeah, that should be the end of the night, and productive day nonetheless. So I will see you guys in a second. A few hours later, headed to the gym now. It's super cold, about to get in the car, and I will see you guys at the gym. pretty mid workout. I don't know if it's because I exerted a lot of energy and I don't have enough on my stomach or something, or I haven't been drinking enough, but I definitely cut it short. Not even gonna lie to you guys. I feel nauseous as hell, but I'm gonna go home, drink water, shower, sit down for a minute, and see how I feel. And then I will be back in a second. All right, you guys, feeling a bit better now. Quickly came on here to say that is the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy the 2 disaster details as well as the 2 previous details we did. If you did, make sure to like the video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you have anything to say, good, bad, or any opinions, please leave it in the comments below. I'll be reading them and I'll see them. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video.